My artwork process under 5 minutes. Let's start. First, insert the images to be used into the workspace.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
Let's work on the model. Right-click on the model, select blending options and follow what I'm doing. Erase unwanted part of the inner glow application on the model. Use the Camera Raw option to reduce the noise on the image.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need.
It's time to apply some filter effect to the image. Follow my process carefully.
Yeah, upgrading, call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were.
Now let's adjust the background to look nice and fit with the model.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love.
Finally, let's use the Camera Raw effects option to finalize the artwork.
Be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more useful contents. Bye.